Here's the conclusion of the last example. We did all the derivatives. We plugged everything in. Well, actually, I think we stopped here. Now we're going to plug everything in. We're centering everything at 8, so C is 8. We already calculated the derivatives at 8, so you just plug 8 in for all the C's. Put all the derivatives in where the derivatives go. Don't forget these factorials on the bottom. So I just transferred them straight in. All the C's became 8s. You can see all the derivatives up top. You can see my factorials on the bottom. And this is the third degree polynomial. I didn't simplify it yet. I did down here. F of 8 was 2. I've simplified all the fractions. Obviously, I did not use a calculator. I did it all in my head. And that's what I got. So the question was, though, not only to find the third, it didn't even tell us to find the third degree Taylor polynomial. It wanted us to use that to approximate the cube root of 8.5. So if we're in the old days when we did tangent lines, we would just plug 8.5 into our tangent line and get a relatively close answer. Now that we're using this third degree polynomial, we're going to do the same thing, plug an 8.5 in for all the x's, and hopefully get a very close answer. So that's what I did. You can see I plug an 8.5 in for x. All these x minus 8s are 0.5 now. Carefully plug it into your calculator, and we get this. So to check how close we are, we're just going to take the calculator and actually type in the cube root of 8.5. And there you go. We got this answer. And we're going to compare it to the answer that the third degree Taylor polynomial gave us, 2.0408. So we're close up to this third decimal place for exact, and then the 8. Kind of close. If you want to get closer, then go for the fourth degree, or fifth degree, or sixth degree even. By the way, if we use the tangent line approximation, just the tangent line like we used to do, that's only the first two values of the first two terms, I should say, of the Taylor. So the tangent line, if you plug in 8.5 here, you would have gotten 2 plus 0.5 divided by 12. You would have gotten 2.0416. 2.0416. So it would have been not as close as obviously as our third degree. So that's how it works. We're going to do a bunch of short examples following this so you can get the hang of it, and hopefully they won't be as long. We'll see.